Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to change your Sustee Core with a new refill. In this pot we have two Sustees, one with the indicator a bright blue telling us that the soil has been sufficiently watered and that the Sustee is working properly. The other Sustee, however, has not changed color. You're going to want to change your Sustee Core every 6 to 9 months. If it has been less than 6 months and you notice your Sustee's indicator is not changing color, you can check to see if there's any soil buildup in the bottom vents. You can try to clean the vent and remove any debris and see if your Sustee's indicator changes color. If it has been more than 6 months, most likely your Sustee Core will need to be replaced. To replace the Sustee Core, you're going to want to remove the top cap, remove the inner core, and replace it with a new core. After watering your plant, the size small Sustee should take about 3 minutes for the indicator to change color to blue.